Saw her standing there, moonbeams in her hair, starlight in her eyes so fair, sweet radiance all around her. Ever will I hold so deep within my soul the loving vow she whispered low that very night I found her. There never was a night so splendid, so bright was the night, moon shining bright. Yes, it was there I met my sweetheart, Sue, my Sue. She promised me that she would be, she promised she would be my bride someday, some fine day. She promised she would